Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the system and the feature that come with the system as well. Okay, this system is very nice. You can see there's direct fit. Okay, it's perfectly fit to the original dash. It's 10.1 inches high definition screen. You can see that. It's also fully compatible with the steering wheel control. You can also connect to the backup camera to the system as well. Okay, I'm going to show you. It's the light vision. Okay, you can see the rain, the snow. Okay, you can also change the light, you know, so basically it's very nice. Okay, actually, okay, so basically it also support the steering wheel control. You can see you can also use the steering wheel control to control the system as well. And let's start from the navigation first. Okay, navigation is offline. You do not need to connect to any Wi-Fi to use the navigation. All right, of course we will preload a couple navigation software for you like Google Map and Waze. However, Waze you will need to connect to the data the hotspot on the cell phone to use it. And this system also comes with 4 GB of RAM and it's very smooth and it's the newest Android 10.0. Okay, so basically it supports all of the software in the market right now. You can see that it also shows the speed right here. It also comes with voice control. It also comes with Bluetooth phone call, Bluetooth music and radio for sure. Okay.
You don't have to do anything. No daydreaming over here, do you? If I am in the bath.
Okay, it also comes with the equalizer. You can also adjust the equalizer. Depends on your personal preference. Okay, so you can change to wherever you want. Okay, so it's very nice here. Okay, and other than that it also come with the music, video. You also come the video emotion. Okay, so basically you can also watch the video. Most likely it's for the passenger. Okay, most likely is for the passenger for the video, not for the driver. Okay, so I'm gonna show you step by step. Navigation is very straightforward to use. This one also comes with traffic update. All right, so basically how to use the navigation, just click on the bottom right corner here, new road, address, and then you can enter the address right here. It's very straightforward. All right, and just pull down a little bit and then you can see home menu right here, and then click on this icon and then you will use all the application right here. You can also connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, once you connect to the Wi-Fi you can also use most of the application like the Google Chrome right here. You can also access to the internet browser. Other than that you can also use the Google Map. This is the Google Map here, and the Google Map, just want to mention is that the Google Map is actually the newest version. It also comes with the offline feature. How to use the download the map to the unit? You can just click on this icon here, and then you can also go to offline map. Okay, you can download the map to the unit. Okay. Other than that, you can also watch the YouTube and Netflix. This is the Netflix right here. It's very nice. So and of course, you can also connect to the YouTube. All right. It's definitely changing the whole driving experience, you know. And you can also download any of the application to the system. You can download the Facebook, Instagram, Prime Video, anything. All right. So basically, you can also download the video to the unit, to the USB. You can also play that on the system as well. Okay. So basically, you can also click on this one.
Superhuman.
Okay, basically it's very nice. Okay,
Mission has been confirmed.
okay, so you can see that you can also download any of the video to the unit. You also come the video emotion. All right, so basically I'm gonna go through some of the setting right here. Okay, so you can download or uninstall any of the application from this system as well. For example, if I want to uninstall the Series exam, you can just hold it and then click on this one, and then you can uninstall it. Okay, so you won't slow down the unit. So you can uninstall any of the application which you don't use. All right, so how to go through the setting right here? So you can just go to setting here and then go to car, and then steering wheel control is preset. You do not need to set up the steering wheel control. Equalizer is right here. You can also adjust the equalizer just like what I mentioned, right? Navigation, if you want to choose the Google Map as the default navigation, you can also go here to choose any of the navigation right here, right? But by default we choose the offline IGO. Okay, that way you use TomTom map data. Okay, so basically driving setting right here, so you don't need to change anything here if it's not necessary. Okay, this one, the first one is video, watching video. So this one, if you turn off this one, you will turn off the video in motion as well. That means you cannot watch the video while you're driving. If you want to block this feature, you can turn it off. All right. Okay, so as you can see, this one is also the extra setting right here. Okay, if you come down to this menu, so basically shut down, you will that means when you take out the key, the unit will go to sleep mode, and then the unit will completely off after 5 minutes. All right, so this one also comes the ultra fast boot feature as well. Okay, reversing volume, that means when you listen to the radio, or maybe you listen to the music, Bluetooth music, and then when you move to reverse, if you still want to listen to the music, then you can turn it on. If you don't want to listen to any music to distracting you, then you can just turn it off. Okay, so for example, it can off. Okay, so when you move to reverse, there will be low sound, so you can focus on reversing. Okay, perfect. So that's much. Okay, so pretty much that's it. And this system can also be purchased from our website www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about this system, please contact us, AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.